Welcome! Today we're going through a quick guide on how to set up your smart board. Let's get your device ready for action. First, plug in the power cable and turn on the main switch located on the side or back of the board. Once the screen lights up, complete the initial setup. Select your language and tap Next. Follow the prompts to register the launcher and proceed to the next step. Now, set up your device by confirming the device details. Then tap Setup Device and Next. When you see Setup Complete, simply tap Start to enter the main interface. To ensure the best performance, let's check for updates. Open the settings. If an update is available, the system will show the update interface, allowing users to tap Update Now. If no update is available, the system will display a message indicating the current version is already up to date. Wait a few minutes for the system to download and install the update. That's it! Your smart board is updated and ready for use.